Do you want custom color seatbelts in your car? Meet Safety Restore. We can virtually get any seatbelt color you want. The way our service works is simple. All you have to do is remove the seatbelts out of your car and mail them in. Within 24 hours, we'll replace the webbing color of your choice and ship these seatbelts right back to you. So whether you're a classic car collector that needs the seatbelts restored, or you're a car enthusiast who wants to transform and customize your interior, this is the perfect service for you. We also replace frayed seatbelts and seatbelts that are chewed by dogs. All of the seatbelt webbing we use meets or exceeds the federal motor vehicle safety standards, and all of the stitching is replicated using our advanced automated sewing machines. Every single order comes with lifetime warranty, and your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. To get started with your custom color seatbelts, visit safetyrestore.com.